Hi friends, today we're doing Unit 7, Lesson 4, the outer planets. We're going to start by going over some of the key vocabulary words you'll be hearing in today's reading. Our first term is gas giant, one of the large outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, that is composed mainly of hydrogen gas. And our last word is hydrogen, the most common gas in the universe, which is lighter than air and easily catches fire. We are now going to move into today's reading. Chapter 4, the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Do you remember the names of the four planets closest to the Sun? If you said Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, you are right. There are four more planets called the outer planets, so there are 8 planets in all. Jupiter is the very next planet after Mars. After Jupiter comes Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune in that order. Neptune is the planet that is farthest from the Sun. Uranus is difficult to see with the naked eye, and Neptune is impossible to see without help. Neptune is only visible under using a telescope. The outer planets are very large and are mostly made of gas. Scientists often call these planets gas giants. Of all the planets, Jupiter is the largest. 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. It is made mostly of hydrogen gas, the most common gas in the universe. The gases on Jupiter seem to be blowing around. In the image of Jupiter on the next page, you can see the giant red spot. It looks like an eye. Experts think it is a big windstorm, like a huge hurricane. Jupiter also has 63 known moons that orbit it. Some of these moons are very large, even larger than Earth's moon. Saturn is known for its many large rings that orbit the planet. These rings are made of ice and dust. The ice reflects light and makes the rings glow. Saturn also has many moons that orbit it. The last two planets are Uranus and Neptune. These planets are the farthest from the Sun, so they are very cold. Uranus and Neptune also have rings, but they aren't easily seen like Saturn's. Both planets also have moons. So now you know the names of all 8 planets. Try asking the adults in your family how many planets there are. They may tell you that there are 9 planets. When the adults in your family were in school, people said that there was a 9th planet called Pluto. But in 2006, scientists decided that Pluto did not have all of the characteristics needed to be classified as a planet. They removed Pluto's name from the list of planets, so now there are only 8 planets. You may now move on to Unit 7, Lesson 4, Google Form.